Good morning. Previously, what happens? Writing a letter to the editor, particularly Hindu paper, causes a heavy impact on the authorities against whom some allegations or some accusations were made. Apart from that, that was considered as most important communication to raise against any authority or the government. But public interest litigations, letters, anonymous letters were being sent. But due to newly invented devices at rapid stage of communication, we use what not Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. But unfortunately, WhatsApp, the youngsters concentrate on creating memes, insulting, also creating enmity between the classes, defaming, slandering. Thereafter, what happens actually? Some people intentionally, professionally, around the clock used to spread rumors to disturb the public tranquility. That is different, and some authorities or court must take action against them all. And recently, some act has been passed to control these communications. Leave apart. Uh, on the other hand, the politicians, the authorities, the government always want to curb the persons who accuses the government by this earlier by other communication, now by this communication. Even shock to the conscience of the court. A person who seeks SOS help, medical help, was also booked for offences. For that, the courts are coming and extending their hand for justice. In a fantastic case, wherein Facebook publication about non-tribals cruelty, non-tribals cruelty caused by the others. This particular Facebook could not be tolerated by state of Meghalaya. Therefore, they have initially issued FIR was registered and 41A CRPC notice was issued to him. Then the person went to Supreme High Court to pass the proceedings of FIR registered section 153A IPC. That was dismissed. Therefore, Supreme Court has approached. Supreme Court has deeply discussed about 153A, 505, and several High Court, Supreme Court judgment earlier decided. Ahmad Kalu versus State of API. They say destations and vilification. These two words were deeply discussed. They have also discussed Canadian Supreme Court decision, Successful Human Rights Commission versus Watt Court, wherein they have say that the word hatred must be tested to the words destitution and vilification. Finally, the Supreme Court has said India is a plural and multicultural society. Promise of liberty enunciated in the preamble manifests its various provisions which outline each citizen right. They include right to speech, to travel freely and settle. At the times where the legitimate exercise of such right, individual travel, settle down or carry on a occasion a place where they find condition conducive, there may be resettlement, especially if citizens prosper, leading to hostility and possible violence. In such circumstances, the victim voice their discontent and speak out, especially if the state authorities turn a blind eye or drag their feet. Such voicing of discontent is only a cry for anguish, for justice denied or delayed. This is exactly what appears to have been happened. Therefore, they say this Facebook statement only reported or discontent about the behavior of the authorities and wanted some action on the issues. Therefore, they quashed this 153A and 5061 CP1 CCPC FIR. Kindly go through the judgment, keep it on file, it may help you in your profession. Best wishes.